Welcome to MadeCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
My name is Mary Jane Patribulyo Gabales. I'm I'm 45 years old and I'm single.
Okay. What's your nationality?
I am a Filipino.
Okay. So what position are you applying for?
Nanny or nanny or babysitter household
Nanny or housemaid? When would you be
housemaid.
able to start working?
Anytime, as soon as possible.
Okay. Do you have relatives here in UAE?
Nothing.
Please describe your last job.
Nanny, take care of the baby and household.
Okay. So you worked as an all-around housemaid.
Yes.
You're in charge of doing all the household chores and looking after children. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Where did you work? In Dubai? Abu Dhabi, where?
Dubai, Daratul Mia, and Daira, Dubai, Fujairah.
Okay. Okay, so you worked in Dubai and in Fujairah.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So describe, how do you clean the house? How do you clean the kitchen?
I will cleaning the kitchen from the start from the kitchen, then going to the sala and inside the room of my employer and the toilet.
Okay, for the bedrooms, how many times in a week do you have to change the bed sheets?
I mean, for my employer, the previous employer is twice a week, twice a month.
Okay. How about the toilet? How often do you have to clean it?
Every day.
You clean it every day.
Yes.
What would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
I will call my employer.
Do you know how to cook?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to learn?
I'm willing to learn how to cook.
Okay, can you follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yes.
What favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
Going to the park, swimming, going picnic, and going to swim.
Okay. If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
I will call the parents.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as possible.
As a nanny, could you say no to a child?
Ano ma'am?
As a nanny, could you say no to a child? I will give you an example. The child wants to go to the park alone. Are you going to say yes or no?
No.
No. If it is dangerous or bad for the child, you have to say no. Okay. How much is your minimum expected salary?
2004.
Okay. Describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
I am good, honest, and flexible.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from
Yes, ma'am.
MadeCV.com. Thank you.